Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to run a PHP development server from Python. So we are going to use some editor. I will use gedit, and here we are going to define our function start server, and we are going to use system call. You need to have PHP already installed on your system before running this command. So we are going to do sudo PHP with dash uppercase S, and we are going to pass in our local host address 127.0.0.1, and the port will start at port 80. And I'm just going to save this file. Save in downloads or just here. Okay, so I will name it start PHP server .py. And now we are going to just call this function and save. Now we are going to run our Python code from terminal. Before we run our code, we need to import system module from OS, import system. And now we can start our server by typing in Python 3 and the name of our Python file, and just hit enter. And we can see the message over here, PHP and some version development server started at our local host, and the port is 80. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.